Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset for the standard Galaxy tablet using the recovery mode to restore the tablet to factory settings. Keep in mind that there is always the risk that the device in question has an FRP lock on it, which means that unless you bypass it, you've basically turned the device in question into a brick. But I'll go into that in another video. Now that you know the risk, let's go through the reset process. So to enter the recovery mode for most Galaxy tablets, you're going to hold on the power, volume up, and home buttons all at the same time. Usually I hold it down either until my tablet first powers on or until you reach the blue screen. From there, the tablet will take itself into the recovery mode after about 30 seconds. Now to navigate the recovery mode, we will have to use the volume up/down keys. To select, you will use the power button. We're going to scroll down to the wipe data/factory reset option and select it. Once you click it, you will be asked once more if you're positive that this is what you want to do, because if you say yes, it is irreversible. The tablet will go back to factory reset and you'll have to configure it again and add your accounts and other things to it just like you had the first time, because it will essentially be like turning on a new tablet. Thanks for watching the video, and please leave a like and comment if you found it helpful, maybe even subscribe. It lets me know that this is the kind of content you all would like to see.